In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full tutorial on how to create a blog site with Blogger. So if you're a content creator and then you feel like you want to create a blog or you want to have a website for yourself in order to help you promote your businesses, your YouTube channel, I think this is the best video you have to watch. And then this video is fully packed and you are going to learn a lot. So if you have any comments too, or if you have any problems after watching video or whilst watching this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel because I have a lot I want to share with you guys. So I'm just going to go to my computer and then actually record everything I want to show you guys, and then you pay attention to it. I'm going to include the timestamps of every step too in my description, so you can check it out and then tap on it. If you are cool with the previous step or something, you can just hit the timestamp and it will actually take you to the place you think you want to learn a lot over there. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new here.
So first of all, this is what you have to do. You have to just open your browser, right? And then you type in blogger.com. Blogger.com. And when it opens like this, you don't have to click here. You sign in with your Gmail account because Blogger is owned by Google. So you sign in with your Gmail account. You hit on sign in, and I'm actually just gonna use a friend's email because I created it for him, and afterwards I think I'm gonna just give this blog to him for free. So it is where you have to put in the title of your blog site you want to create, and then we're gonna pick a name. So I'm actually gonna pick Jeff's News Blog. This is the name people are going to use to reach you, so you have to choose wisely, else they're going to tell you someone has already picked it. So look at this one, it means someone has already picked this one, so I'm not going to be able to pick this. So that is why I included the Z at the end, and I'm good to go. So what you do next is you click on next, and then what you feel you want to make it display. So this is what we want it to display as Jeff's Blog. That is the display name we want to use. Okay, so we're done. So this is the skeletal part of it. This is the skeletal part of the blog and everything here. You can choose to read these things here because I can't read it out because else it's gonna be a long video for us. So I'll just exit them here. So this is the interface of Blogger, right? So this is where the post is and stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and a reading list. So if you want to view your blog, you just hit here and then it's gonna open a page where you see your blog. So you see our name we picked here, right? Our name we picked here, Jeff's News Blogs.blogspot.com. So there's it, Jeff's blog. So this is how it is, and then you can choose to change all these things here. You can choose to change how you feel it's gonna show up, and I actually have a blog I created and I can show you how they look like. They don't look like what is up there, so you can just see it and it's cool. I can just do something like this. I started up like that, so I can just do something like this or a different thing altogether. So if you are cool and then you want to get something very nice for yourself, you just have to stick around so that you don't skip anything. I'm trying to take my time right here so that I'll show you guys how you'll be able to do all these things. So next thing we will do is we come to layout. So this is where most of the work is done, but I think we are going to change this theme here later in the future. So I don't think we are supposed to just deal with this layout. So what we are going to do is we go to themes, and then we try check out and see how we'll be able to use some themes we feel we are going to be cool with. So we can choose any of these themes right here, and then our blog is just going to display perfectly like that. So let's say we want to pick this theme right here. So what we do is we hit on it and then we hit on apply, and then it's going to change the interface of our blog site right now. So when I hit on view blog, you see it's going to display differently from the first one we did. Okay, so you see we have something like this here. So that is how our blog will look like. And maybe if we say we want to post something, we hit on post and then we give it a title news, and then let's say entertainment. Yeah, so let's publish it, confirm publish, and then we come to our page and then we probably will refresh it and then see if it's not gonna pop up. So you see here it just popped up. So that is how it is. It's very easy to create a blog site, and this is where you see your stats, how many people are visiting your website, how many people are commenting, everything, the countries they are commenting from, your posts, your pages, everything. This is where you see them. So it's very easy, it's very cool. So just have it in mind that you'll be able to create it, because you know, getting a blog blog is actually going to help you produce a lot of things. It's going to help you with improving your businesses and a lot of things. So you just have to have a blog, and I'm going to show you guys a lot of stuff. So just stick around. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here too, so that you don't miss anything. So right now we have our blog, and then we have our interface like this, and you know, this is not catchy. No one is gonna like to see this kind of thing. You ask me to come to your website and I'll come and I'm just gonna see this thing. It's not catchy. So what we have to do is we would have to go to a site where I get my themes, or let's say I get my customized themes, Sora templates. I'm going to leave the links in my description, so you don't worry about that, but I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. You just have to pay attention to it, else you're not going to be able to do it. It's very complicated from this side, so you have to take everything very serious if you really want to see a better outcome. So this is the Sora template, and you just pick a theme which you feel you would like or you would want to get. So you can pick any of the themes you think you like, and I think we're just going to pick a random one, and then we'll just get it done very quickly so that you guys will just see how you go about it. You can come to the website and then check throughout the templates you feel like you want and download it and do whatever you want to do with it. So let's say I pick this one. This is how it's going to look like after we are done with everything. So this is how our blog is going to look like. So you can just download this. Let's hit on download, and we get it done very quickly. So I'm going to double tap it, and then you would have to extract and then open with Notepad, right? You open this with Notepad, Notes. Okay, let's say Notepad for Windows and then Notes for iOS. So you open with Notes and then import. Okay, so this is it. This is our theme, right? So we're going to copy everything here. Then we close this. You see how our blog displays right now. I've not changed anything yet. You see how it displays? So we go here straight to themes. Watch it very carefully, and then you click on this arrow right here, and then you come to edit HTML, right? So you see all of these. You're just going to copy all, and then you delete everything, right? So right now we have deleted this thing, right? And we're going to put our custom theme, which is this right here. Okay, so we paste everything we copied from the other side. So this is it, and then you click save here. So let's see what is going to pop up here, if it's successful. Okay, so you see it's successful. Now let's come here and refresh whatever is here, and you see how our blog is going to display now. You see we are having something different. Isn't this what I wrote? I wrote news right here. So let's see. Let's go back, and then you guys will see there's its news, and I wrote entertainment as the message, right? So news and then entertainment by who? Just blog. So that is it. That is all. You have your site, just blog, home. You can put up your menu and then drop down menus. I'm going to show you how you're going to do all these things, else you wouldn't be able to do them. Drop down menus, how you be able to embed videos. I'm going to show you everything, so you stick around so that you don't miss anything. Don't forget to subscribe and then like this video. So now that we have our blog like this, there are a lot of things here we don't need, like these ones. We don't need them, so we have to delete all these ones and then make it look like what we would want or what you will want. So you come here and then you go to layout. I told you guys this is where the necessary work is done. So layout, and then if you know you don't like some of the stuff, what you do is you just go to the side of it and then you untick it, you turn it off. You see, so you just turn this off, and then you click on save, and all of these things are just going to be taken off. We just refresh and this is going to vanish. So you can do that to stuffs you don't think you want to make them display like the previous one you just downloaded. So I just want to take this one also off. So what I'll do is I go here and then come to the side. You see this Facebook right here. You can either remove or you can just keep it there and then just save it. Uncheck this box and then you save it, and then you are good to go. You come here, you refresh it, and this is gonna get lost. Okay, so you see you have everything like this, and then I think this one too has a problem right here. So we would come to this side and then we check it out and see. So this one too, so we just uncheck it and then we just save, and then we refresh it, and then we see if we're going to see something there. Okay, so you see we don't have anything there. So we have what I think we would like, and then we would have to delete all these things too. So what we'll do is we go to this side and then we come to link list, and then we come to the side. We just need home, so you delete all these, you delete all these, all these, all these. You get me? So afterwards you save it and then you come and check it out here, you refresh it, and this is what you get. So you see we have home. Maybe we want to get news right here, you want to get under news, you want to get entertainment news, or maybe foreign news. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that, and then you can do it to all the menus you want to create. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you get a next menu here and a drop down of it. So if you want to get a drop down menu, this is how you go about it. You see, we have home here, so we're going to copy the home link right there, so that when someone taps on it, it's just going to take them to home. So you hit on it and then you copy and then you go paste it here. You edit home, you paste it here, so that you save it, right? And that is it. So the next one we want to do, we actually would have to go to post and then go to this side. We have to label this post and then maybe do it entertainment news, right? So we're done, and then we would have to go to the page, hit on it, right? And then we hit on entertainment news, right? And then it will take us to entertainment news column, and then we copy that link, right? And then we take it back to our blogs interface, our skeletal blog site, and then we go to layout again, we hit on link, and then we come down to this side, we type in entertainment news, and then we put in the link here, right? And then we hit on add link, and then because home is supposed to be first, we hit on this arrow here and then we just save. Now let's come here and then we just refresh our website and see what we are going to see. We have entertainment here, so we have home and then we have our entertainment here, as simple as ABCD. So probably maybe you want news beneath this, so this is what we do. We have to post another post, we hit on a new post and then we just write in any random things, and then we just do it blah blah blah, and then we hit on it and then type in maybe news or foreign news, and then we just hit on publish and we are good to go. So we go to our website, we hit on home, we are going to see foreign news here, so we hit on it and then we go there, we check on it, we hit on foreign news. Okay, so we hit on the link, we copy it, we take it back to the blog, and then we go to layout. We want to get a drop down menu under entertainment news. Okay, so we hit on link list and then we come to this side and then we type in foreign news and then we put in the link here, we add link, right? Okay, so now we want foreign news to be a drop down menu, so that when you just put your mouse here, it's gonna pop up beneath it, right? So that is what we were gonna do. So we just hit on this and then we hit on edit and then we hit on underscore here, you see underscore before the F, and then we save it, and then we come and then we save it here, and then we come to our website, we refresh and then we see what's going to happen. So you see we have something here, we remove it, we hit here, remove it. Okay, so we go home and then we check it out, entertainment, we have foreign news here, we hit on foreign news, it's going to take us to foreign news straight. We hit on entertainment news, it's going to take us to entertainment. I'm just doing an example, this one can just be news so that you have foreign news beneath it. I'm just doing an example. So anyhow you feel you want your drop down menu to be, you're just going to be able to do it. You can do it as lengthy as you want, maybe 5 or 4, and then you do the next one how you want it. If you have any problems or any difficulties, just hit me up in the comment section and I'm going to be at your services. So now let's say you want to have a picture for your posts so that it's going to display very nice. Maybe you have a picture displayed here so that you'll be able to tell your audience what you really want to tell them. So we're going to download a picture, right? And then we just add it to it and you'll see how it's going to look like. So you just go to images, whatever, maybe you might have a picture or something, but I just want to download a random picture and then I put it there so that you guys will just see what I'm talking about. So I'll just save this picture randomly. So I'll go to the post, let me pick this one, the first one we did. I'll come to the side and insert image from computer and then I'll just upload it, and then it would have to display perfectly. So this is how you go about it, uploading files, pictures or videos onto your blog site. So it would have to upload, and then when it's done you just select it and then you are good to go. So you see it just appeared here, and then the text too, you can change the fonts here, you can change it, you can change the font, the sizes, everything, the text here, how you want it. You can just change everything. If you want it in a different way, the fonts or something, you can just download any fonts too you like right here. So we are going to publish this, we are going to update it, right? And then we will just check our blog right now and see how it's going to look like. So you see we have an image right here, so it's perfect, like everything is going to look perfect. And the reason why I have all my categories right here is I came to this side, sorry I did it offline, but I came to the side layout and then I went down here categories and then I unchecked it from here, selected labels to here, all labels. So you click all labels and then you save, and then you are going to see your blog showing all the updates you've updated. So under entertainment news, we have only one update. Under foreign news, we have only one update. That is why we are seeing one here. If I click here, it's going to take me to entertainment news or wherever, foreign news I mean. If I click here, it's going to take me to entertainment news. So that is how it works. And this drop down to, I hope you guys took note of it. If you have any difficulties, you feel you didn't get anything right, just let me know in the comment section and I'll surely help you out. So now you see how our blog site looks. It looks very cool, because if I really have the idea of maybe creating a blog site, I think I would have been true to somewhere now, and I think it's very cool. So I'll edit these ones, I'll edit it, and so in my next stage or next step, you guys are going to see a different thing here. So I'll edit it and do it probably news, and then for news the drop downs will be beneath it. So you see these ones here, we would have to take them off because it's not ours. When you click on this side without changing them, it's going to take you to the place we had the themes from. So I'll just click it and then we will see where we are going to go. Okay, so this one is changed already. So I'll just click on about, and then you guys would see it has taken us to their blog again, which we don't like. So what we do is we go to our layout, and then we come to the footer menu widgets, right? And then we will check it out. So if you want to keep links up here, you want to keep contacts or contact us or something like a page about us and all, I'm going to show you how you're going to write all those stuffs, and then you're going to keep them here. So what you have to do is you check this out here, you delete them, right? So that you wouldn't have any difficulties or you didn't get them popping up sending people from your blog site to somewhere else. So you just delete them and then you save. But I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to add those pages right here. So you just delete them and then you save it. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to add the pages. So you go to these pages right here. You see I have contact us here, right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've already typed in something. It's a random number I just typed in. So I'll just maybe ggg@gmail.com, right? And I just publish it. Okay, so we're done. We go back and then we see our contact. Let's view it and then see what we are going to get. So this is our contact page, right? So we would have to copy this link, right? And then we come back here and then go to layout. So when we go to layout, we hit on the footer and then we put in the link and then we type in contact and then we save, we add link and then we bring it down because we want it to be the second one, and then we save. And then when we come to our blog and then we refresh it, we're actually going to see it right here. So we click on it, you see it has given us our contacts page. So that is how we go about pages on blogs too. So I think I'm gonna pause the video right here because it's kind of gonna be very lengthy and then boring. So I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video. So if you feel you want to speed up the process too, you can leave a comment in my comment section and I'm gonna attend to you separately, probably through my Instagram page, and we're gonna get things done. And I hope this video was very helpful. I know it was fully packed, but hey, I know you've got a lot and then you've gotten what you want. And if you are cool, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it to anyone you think was gonna like this kind of video, and then catch you in the next one.